Welcome again, everyone, and I'm going to be fixing two other Game Boys from the Game Boy lot that I bought in part one of this video. And now we're going to be testing these two. This one, even if it works, is going to need a new shell. And this one, well, I haven't tried it out yet. But this one here, it has lines on the screen. There's a missing line here, and some are missing from this side too. So we're gonna need to restore them. And now I'm gonna try the second one. So let me swap the batteries in. Okay, this one turns on, but nothing happens. The speaker pops a little, but then nothing happens. So let's take a look at this one now. let's move on to the next one. I'm expecting the next one to be much harder to fix, if fixable at all, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. It's so corroded here. I think maybe this was mostly acid damage. Maybe there's bad contact from the batteries here and the voltage is not enough to power it on completely. We're gonna try to fix this stuff. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm adding some Captain tape, which is gonna be my makeshift solder mask. Okay, it's still dead. That was... Oh wait. So maybe that was part of the problem. Oh! It's not loud at all, but I think we can work on this. Well, now this is gonna be an IPS mod. I can't really do anything about this one for now. So I'm gonna fix this one in the last episode, where I'll be buying all the parts that I need and restoring all the Gameboys. At least I'm satisfied with having fixed the motherboard, because these ones are pretty expensive to buy on eBay. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. I hope you're happy.